When it comes to controlling greenhouse gases, forests are a big help. And scientists think if we plant more trees, the very ground they stand on could absorb even more carbon. In a first-of-its-kind study, researchers combined satellite imagery with 15,000 soil measurements. They found reforested topsoil could absorb up to 21 million metric tons of carbon a year, or about 10% of all carbon absorbed by reforested land. Currently, the US is reforesting a combined swath of land larger than California. But we have a long way to go if we want to use reforestation efforts to fix our climate. Only about 7% of all forest lands that can be replanted have actually been replanted. And researchers stress that if we want topsoil, trees, and other carbon sinks to help, we need to take action sooner rather than later. Nature has been absorbing less and less carbon for more than 20 years, and it's expected to stop completely around 2050.